All right. Welcome back, everyone, to the deep dive.
Yeah.
We're diving into the world of Indian food delivery.
Ooh, exciting.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. So we've got this report comparing Zomato and Swiggy,
Okay.
which are like the two big, players over there.
Right.
And our mission is to kind of figure out
Yeah.
which one might be the better investment.
Okay. Interesting.
So hopefully by the end of this, you'll be able to impress all your friends with all your food knowledge.
Uh-huh. Exactly. Or make some smart money moves.
Yeah, exactly. All right, I'm ready to dig in.
So imagine, millions of people
Yeah.
craving, delicious food
Yeah.
right to their door.
Right.
That's what these companies are doing.
Yeah. It's a huge market.
Yeah. And Zomato,
Okay.
they're showing some serious growth.
Oh, yeah.
Their revenue is up like 56%
Uh-huh.
from last year.
That's impressive.
Yeah. It's like over 7,000 crores.
I mean, that's a ton of, orders.
Yeah.
That's a good sign they're doing something,
Uh.
right? Yeah. But, revenue's not the whole story.
Right.
Right.
We got to look at the bottom line, too.
So that brings us to Zomato's, they're bragging about.
What's that?
They've achieved profitability
Oh, wow.
in their core food delivery business.
Interesting.
Almost a crores EBITDA.
Okay, now, for those of us who, don't speak finance,
Right.
what does that actually mean?
So EBITDA is basically a way to
Okay.
look at a company's profit
Mm-hmm.
before accounting for like debt and taxes.
I see. So it's like their core profit from operations.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Gives you a cleaner picture of,
Yeah.
how efficiently they're running things.
Right.
But even though they hit that milestone,
Okay.
Zomato still ended up with a net loss overall,
Interesting.
which means they're spending
So they're spending more than they're earning.
more than they're earning. Yeah.
Okay.
Suggests they're still investing.
Makes sense. I mean, they are growing really fast.
Yeah. Letting growth.
Got to spend money to make money, right?
Exactly.
So Zomato is playing the long game.
Yeah. What about Swiggy?
Okay, so Swiggy, they're being a little more mysterious.
Yeah, they're not really
Not sharing all the details.
sharing all the details of their numbers.
Right, keeping their cards close to their chest.
Yeah, it makes you wonder if they're,
Maybe they've got something big cooking up.
yeah, cooking up something even bigger.
Yeah, exactly. Maybe even better numbers.
But we know they had their IPO recently,
They did, yeah.
which means they're also
Hungry for growth.
hungry for growth,
Absolutely.
even if it means,
Even if it means losing money for now,
yeah,
they're really focused on capturing market share,
right.
building that loyal customer base.
Yeah, it's like the classic
Yeah. Growth versus profitability.
growth versus profitability dilemma.
The classic dilemma.
Right.
You got to choose one, right?
Well, or you got to find a balance.
That's true.
Right.
But it's definitely risky to,
Prioritize growth for too long.
Yeah, because,
Got to make money eventually.
yeah, and what happens if they
Yeah.
can't turn it around?
Right, exactly. What if they can't become profitable? That's a big question mark.
So Swiggy has been posting losses
For the past few years, yeah.
the past few years, but
Yeah.
their cash flow is getting better.
That's a good sign.
Yeah.
So it means they are managing their money better.
So they're moving in the right direction.
They are, but it's still,
Yeah.
got to see if they can actually turn those losses into profits.
Right. And, both of them are navigating this market that's like,
It's hot, like a tandoor oven.
right.
It's brooming.
And they're both taking different
Yeah,
approaches.
different paths to success.
So let's dig into those a little bit.
Okay, let's do it.
Zomato seems to be, they're diversifying.
They are.
They acquired Blinkit.
Blinkit, the grocery app.
Yeah. And they're investing in Hyperpure, right, which supplies ingredients to restaurants.
Yeah.
So they're branching out.
Tune out.
Yeah, it's a smart move. Because think about it. You're ordering your dinner on Zomato.
Yeah.
You realize, oh, I'm out of milk.
Right.
Boom. Blinkit to the rescue.
Right there in the app.
Right there, seamless.
Makes sense. But isn't there a risk?
Oh, there's always a risk.
Yeah, spreading yourself too thin.
Right. That's the question, right?
Yeah.
Can they do it all?
Yeah.
Diversification, it can be a double-edged sword.
Okay.
It can be really good,
Right.
more revenue streams, a bigger ecosystem. But you got to be careful
Yeah.
not to lose focus on the core business.
Right. So they got to make sure they're good at
Yeah,
food delivery
exactly. That's their bread and butter.
before they get into,
Milk delivery.
milk delivery and everything else.
Exactly. Got to nail the basics first.
All right.
So Zomato's the diversifier.
yeah, what's Swiggy doing?
So Swiggy, they're sticking to their guns.
Sticking to their guns.
Yeah.
Focusing on the core.
Focusing on food delivery. Doubling down.
Okay, makes sense.
Yeah, they're really investing in like their delivery network technology,
Okay.
making their deliveries faster.
So it's a battle of strategies.
Yeah, it's a battle of strategies.
Right. One's diversifying.
Yeah.
The other one's sticking to the core.
And they're both going for this massive market.
Yeah, it's going to be interesting to see how it all plays out.
Who comes out on top?
Now, this brings us to the
It's a big question.
valuations.
Yeah, valuations, yeah.
Because despite the
ups and downs.
the roller coaster of profitability,
Heck.
both of these companies are
Sky-high valuation.
yeah, pretty high valuation.
Investors are betting on the future.
Yeah.
They're saying this market's going to explode.
They were saying India's going to
Everyone's going to be ordering food online.
be ordering all their food online. But it's important for,
Yeah.
people thinking about investing.
Exactly. To consider, are these valuations actually justified?
Right. Are these companies
Can they really deliver on those expectations?
actually going to be as profitable
Right. Can they actually make the money?
as the market thinks?
That's what you got to figure out.
So much to consider.
So it's a complex market.
Before we wrap up,
Yeah.
one final thought for you
Okay, hit me.
to
To chew on.
chew on.
All right.
Could a new player
Oh, interesting.
come in, a dark horse,
And disrupt this whole thing.
yeah, disrupt the duopoly?
Or are Zomato and Swiggy going to be like the
The Coke and Pepsi
Coke and Pepsi?
of Indian food delivery.
Yeah, I mean, that's always
They're the good cool.
accessibility, right?
It is. I mean, new players can always emerge
Yeah.
with new ideas, new innovations,
Yeah, we've seen it
disrupt the whole game.
happen in other industries.
Yeah, exactly.
It's definitely something to keep an eye on.
Food delivery in India
Yeah.
is a
An exciting market.
fascinating story.
Yeah,
And
lots of potential.
we hope this has
Yeah.
given you
Some food for thought
the insights you need to kind of
to make those smart investment decisions.
analyze what's going on.
Absolutely.
Until next time,
Happy investing.
happy investing.